Females who state, "I will not date a man under 6 feet, don't deal with any disapproval. You must be this high to ride, are they right?" Do lots of women say, "No short guys"? Some do, and I'm going to presume for this post that it's prevalent. It's certainly more common than people saying, as the grotesque commenter above pointed out, "No fat chicks." However, I'm thinking individuals who wouldn't date somebody since they're fat are less most likely to honestly say so. So, let's assume loads of ladies say no short men. Considered that it shows a specific level of shallowness, as discussed above, why on earth would they say it out loud? Well, firstly it's because if height matters, stating it in advance may reduce people who lie about it. I as soon as turned up to a date with somebody and truly didn't acknowledge him, due to the fact that he denoted himself as 6 foot and he was actually 5 inch. Annoying, because it implied I broke my straight run of being the very first person to state hi on the OKC date, since I'm so nifty at acknowledging the difference between profile pictures and life. He's not the only one. Women lie too, apparently, and they lie upwards as well, which I discover super interesting, but it's probably not appropriate here. Essentially, individuals lie about height. So if you truly do care about height, then although personally I believe it's a fucking dreadful criteria on which to judge whether somebody's an enjoyable individual, you need to state up front that it is very important, so your prospective dates understand that they won't have the ability to laugh at and self-destructive, due to the fact that it might lead them to lose out on an awesome shag/boyfriend/husband. I believe the response depends on the initial post. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.